Hello everyone, and welcome to another rendition of What's in My Vegetable Drawer. So as you know, I talk a lot about food waste, and it's important to find things that we can do with things in our refrigerator. So I talk about working backwards. So what do you have and what can you make with it so that you don't waste it? And so today I found some apples and some ginger, and I'm just gonna stick it in the pot and warm it and just kind of have it. It'll be a nice side for something, or it could just be something for a snack, or you can even just have breakfast. So I'm using ghee, which is clarified butter. So the difference between ghee and regular butter is that the milk solids have been removed. So this has been heated to a point where its milk solids are gone. That means that it can be used for paleo diet. It can be used for people who are lactose intolerant, and for people who are allergic to the milk protein casein, because those things are gone now. And it also has a higher smoke point. So if you have a higher smoke point oil or butter, then it actually creates less free radicals, and those are things that age your cells. And free radicals are bad. So that's what antioxidants are for. They help clean up the free radicals. But anyway, these oils, if you cook with higher smoke point oils or clarified butter, then you have less free radical formation. So I'm just gonna put probably about a tablespoon of butter in the pot here. So here's my pot that I'm using. And then a cool way to peel your ginger is just using a spoon. It's a little kind of cooking hack there. It's a lot faster for me anyway than using an actual peeler, because I can really get the spoon around the nooks and crannies, I guess you call it. So, and then I'm just gonna cut that up. I'm not too concerned about skin that I leave on, as long as I've washed it really well, and I have washed all of these vegetables very well. I like to leave my ginger big. You might want to pulverize it. You might want to just cut it smaller. I actually love the taste of ginger, so I'm actually leaving mine pretty big, and it's okay if I get a mouthful of that. And then I do leave the skin on, because the nutrients of the apple are just below the skin. In my house, we call this God's candy. So just cutting that up, skin on and everything, but you could choose to take the skin off. Apples have a good amount of quercetin in them, and quercetin, again, is an antioxidant, helps the zinc get into the cells. So quercetin is a hot topic right now in social media, because it can help protect against COVID. So just cutting these up. I'm not a chef, so it takes me a little longer. That's okay. If I do it mindfully and just think about what I'm doing, and appreciate the benefits of the apple and the sweetness, and think about who grew it and who picked it, then it just kind of makes me happy. So I'm going to throw that all in there. And then the spices that I've chosen today, you can kind of pick whatever you want, but usually apples go with cinnamon pretty well, so that's my thought there. So I have some, this is nutmeg. Yes, I have nutmeg too. So I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg in, I don't know, about a half teaspoon. But cinnamon should be the predominant flavor, because usually that goes over better. Cinnamon's really good to help with glycemic control. About 1 teaspoon a day is all you need. And then I have something I like to use a lot, cardamom. I really love the flavor of cardamom. It is maybe an acquired taste, but you can see I even took the shaker off, because that's how much I use it. But here we're just gonna have, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. I'm just kind of a smaller amount, just to get the hint of cardamom. But the predominant flavor will be cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna put this on the cooktop right here and just cook it a little till the apples are just a mite bit soft. So anyways, that was what's in my fridge, and that's what I'm doing today, and I hope you have a great day.